Hi you guys, preparing some of my buckets for Hugelkultur in containers. I garbage picked this cream colored container and I thought it would be perfect to start brand new and fresh with doing some Hugelkultur. So what I've got here is just some bark that came off of the tree. You can see it's not going to take long for that to deteriorate at all. I've got that probably about a fourth of the way full, and I have picked up some harder woods, these sticks, a nice big piece of wood here that's pretty nice and solid, which is going to be really the main sponge that is going to last longer than anything in here. So there's the rest of it. Spread it out a little bit. You can see I've got a little squirrel food in there, and that takes a while for it to break down as well. And I'm also going to add this big clump of weeds, but green side down. Okay. Got one more here. Okay, see I've got the green side down. I want to smother it, basically. I want to fill this pot with the natural stuff I normally would, we would normally throw away or send to the dump. And I want to make use of it in a more natural way. So the next thing that I would do would come in here and I would take the top part of these containers. See, I had a problem with these sunflower seeds, so I want to come in and just take the top part of that off so that hopefully it will eliminate that problem. Put it in here and then top the rest with my own compost. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take a top layer of maybe one or two of these, because I don't really want to fill this up with a problem, but I want to utilize it because it is good soil. I'm just trying to drown out the sunflower seeds that I don't want in these pots. And then I'm just going to let it sit because it's not time for me to fill it with anything. It's only April 24th. I'm in zone 5. When it rains, this is going to shrink. And then it's going to tell me better as to how much compost I need to put in here anyway. And I want to leave probably about this much space here as not having soil. So I hope that helps. That's Hugelkultur in a pot. Thank you so much. Have a great day.